Welcome back viewers and subscribers to Melissa's Taste Kitchen. In this video we'll be doing a breakfast oats porridge recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Over the ingredients real quick. I have grated nutmeg, brown sugar, oats, vanilla, almond flavoring, cinnamon powder, 1 banana and some black currants. So here I have my pot. I'm gonna add my water. Now I'm gonna put it on the stove. Before I put it on the stove, so I garnish my porridge with some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna sprinkle the cinnamon powder, and then I'm gonna add some of my currants. I'm gonna add just a little currants on top. We're doing a little garnish, make the porridge look attractive. And then I'm gonna add some sliced banana.